Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so now that we've talked about pronouns and nouns and how to match pronouns to nouns, now I just want to dig in to some tricky pronouns because the ACT loves to test tricky pronouns. First tricky pronoun is its. So there are three forms of its that you'll see on the ACT. IT apostrophe S, ITS, and ITS apostrophe. So just take a minute, think about what each of these mean. So if I were to say, it's hot outside, which of the its would we use? We would use the one with the IT apostrophe S because we would need to say, it is hot outside. And IT apostrophe S stands for it is. So whenever you see its, try plugging in it is, because if you can say it is in the sentence, then you want to use the IT apostrophe S. Okay. So another type of its that we can talk about is ITS, and this one is for possession. So this is like the dog likes its bone. So the bone belongs to the dog, so that its is showing possession. Okay, so we've talked about IT apostrophe S is it is, and then ITS is possession. What about that last one, ITS apostrophe? It's a trick question. The word doesn't exist. So why do you think I'm talking about it? It's because the ACT uses it. But now you're going to be smarter than the ACT, at least on this question. And so what you're going to know is if you see ITS apostrophe, you're just going to cross it out because the word doesn't exist in the English language and you're not going to use it. Okay, so let's talk about there. So we have THEY apostrophe RE. So that there, just like the IT apostrophe S, means they are. So it's two words together in a contraction, which is why we're using the apostrophe. So they are is THEY apostrophe RE. Then THEIR is showing possession. So that's their dog. So the dog belongs to them. So that's their dog. We use THEIR. And then there is, who is that over there? THERE. So that there, THERE, refers to a place. Okay. Two more that we need to talk about are whose and your. They follow the same pattern. So the one with the apostrophe is bringing two words together. So whose, like who's that over there? Who is that over there? We can plug in who is, so then we're going to choose that whose. But whose hamster got out? So that whose is asking about possession. So whose hamster? Who owns the hamster? Okay, and then with your, same idea. So you're coming today, aren't you? So you are coming today, aren't you? So the YOU apostrophe RE means you are. And then it's your birthday today, hooray! So your is YOUR. So that your is possession, like your birthday. So no, so it's just the YOUR. Okay, so big thing to remember here is that possessive pronouns, so when there's ownership with possessive pronouns, like ours, yours, hers, his, my, your, everything like that, there's never apostrophes. So pronouns never use apostrophes to show possession. All right, so we've got our pronouns down. Let's go. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.